قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: إذا أسلم العبد صادقا غفر الله له ما تقدم من ذنبه، ثم بدأ بعد ذلك القصاص، كانت حسناته ب10 أمثالها إلى 700 ضعف. تكتب السيئة والسيئة كما هي إلا أن يغفرها الله.
Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "If a person embraces Islam sincerely, then Allah shall forgive all his past sins, and after that starts the settlement of accounts. The reward of his good deeds will be 10 times to 700 times for each good deed, and one evil deed will be recorded, as it is unless Allah forgives it."
قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: إذا حسن أحدكم دينه كتبت له الحسنة ب10 أمثالها إلى 700 ضعف، وكتبت السيئة مثلها.
Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "If any one of you improve, follows strictly his Islamic religion, then his good deeds will be rewarded 10 times to 700 times for each good deed, and a bad deed will be recorded as it is.
جاء النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم وعندي امرأة جالسة. قال: من هي؟ فقلت: هي فلانة، وأخبرته عن صلاتها. قال مستنكرا: اعمل ما في طاقتك فإن الله لا يمل ولكنك ستتعب، وأفضل العمل في الدنيا نظر الله هو ما كان على الدوام.
Once the Prophet, peace be upon him, came while a woman was sitting with me. He said, "Who is she?" I replied, "She is so and so," and told him about her, excessive praying. He said disapprovingly, "Do good deeds which is within your capacity without being overtaxed, as Allah does not get tired of giving rewards, but surely you will get tired, and the best deed, act of worship, in the sight of Allah is that which is done regularly."